Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Children's Drawing and Painting at Locust Street Art. And this video shows how to make a basic collage. For this tutorial, you will need a paper or canvas, collage paper, scissors, glue stick or tape, and colored pencils. For collages, construction paper, scrapbook paper, and old magazines work best. So let's get our collage started with the sketch first. Using colored pencils, sketch out the shapes you will need for a collage. For an animal's face, start with a circle. Divide the circle into 4 equal parts, and use the lines in the sections for your details. Draw in short, light strokes before tracing your shapes more heavily. Light sketches will be easier to erase, and darker sketches will allow you to cut out the layer pieces for your collage. For cutting out your collage pieces, sketch on the side of your paper that will have the glue or tape on it. This makes your collage look neater overall. If you cannot trace your original shapes onto your collage paper, redraw the shape by first sketching out its boundaries. The way you do this is you line up the collage paper by the shape and draw light lines where the shape starts and ends. You should do this for both the length and the width. Once you have your shape drawn out, go ahead and cut it out. Draw and cut out every shape that you need. If you need 2 or more of the same shape, what you can do is you can sketch the one shape out, cut out the piece of paper a little bit bigger than you need it, fold it in half, and then cut alongside the fold to have 2 of the same shape. To layer your pieces, use different colors and different patterns to create a dynamic, interesting collage. The more different your papers are from one another, the more interesting it'll be. Using many layers from different sources will make the collage look more elaborate. What this means is that there will be more points of focus for the viewer to look at within your collage. Keeping a consistent color scheme will make the collage look more organized. That would mean using papers of similar colors or textures. What's great about collage is that you get to control what you want your viewer to pay attention to. If you want something to stand out, you pick a colorful piece of paper. If you want it to blend more into the background, then you get a more neutral piece of paper. Once you have all of the pieces of your collage cut out, you can start layering them. Layer the pieces one by one, starting with the layer in the background. The most visible layers are going to be last. Glue or tape the pieces on top of each other. Glue sticks and thin Scotch tape works best. If you are using Scotch tape, tear out short pieces, roughly about 1 or 1.5 inches long, and curl one end of the tape onto itself to press onto the paper and not leave any tape sticking out. Add the final details with your colored pencils. Depending on the type of paper you used, you may need to use different coloring tools for the details to stand out. For example, a marker is best if you used construction paper, and permanent marker is best if you use magazines. Once you are done cutting, taping, and drawing, you will have a completed collage. Try these collage techniques to make different kinds of works. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned with Locust Street Art.